Shemai, my name is Beth and today I'm going to be taking you through some Grand Allegro. Obviously Grand Allegro is something you normally do at the end of class. It's the biggest jump, it's something that travels loads. Obviously with our circumstances we can't do that today, but what I'm going to do is condense it down and put it on the spot and also make sure you get the most out of class by still doing some form of jump. You just need to make sure you're nice and warm, either by following our class that we've done so far or doing your own warm-up. Have comfortable clothes on, socks, bare feet, ballet shoes, anything you like, just make sure you're nice and comfortable. So let's go see how to do it. Okay, so we're going to start in fifth position. I'm going to do two slower chapees. So let's jump out and in, releve in fifth, and a royale. So royale is a beat change, or you can just do a changement if you don't want to beat it. And then repeat again. The chape, releve fifth, royale. Then you do two seesaw overs. So seesaw, releve with your arms in fourth. Repeat again. Seesaw, fourth. Little rond with the leg, with the back leg. Step into arabesque. Run, or walk is what I'm probably going to do. You can do this sombre turning if you have space to jump and move. If not, what I'm going to do, step, I'm literally just going to do a little swizzle, closing in fifth, opening, and then a finished position of your choice. So I'm probably just going to go here, but you could finish on the knee, standing, anything you like. So now you've got the exercise, let's try that with some music. Okay, so that's the end of our exercise today. I hope you've enjoyed and you've managed to fit in a Grand Allegro in whatever space you have. Until next time, have a good day, stay really safe, and I will see you soon. Bye!